Hi guys. I received some the VeeFriends stuff. The first these plushes. This is gratitude gorilla, and this is practical peacock. And actually I got some more plushes, but it's gonna be the Christmas gift from my girlfriend parents. I'm waiting for it. And I got these plushes, and also I got these three blind boxes. And then I'll be happy if I get this astronaut. Let's see what I got. Oh, it's black. Cannot see. Oh, it's a practical peacock. Okay, next. Let's guess. What's this? I think this is common sense cow. Let's see. I was right. Okay, this is the last one. I think this is gorilla. I'm right. So, okay, these three are the characters I got. I mean, it's good because these two are my favorites. That's why I got precious. So I don't mind. I got these. What's that? What's this called?
Figures?
Figures. Well, at least I got new, like a different character.